Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Girlsgonefood, and I have for you today the best banana pudding recipe. You need to trust me on this, and you need to make this. First, take 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is half the block, and half a can of sweetened condensed milk. You're going to mix those two together using a mixer. Once that's done, fold in some whipped cream or some Cool Whip if you prefer that better. Fold it together until it's fully incorporated. I made my own whipped cream using some sugar, some heavy whipping cream, and mixed that together with my mixer, so it was super easy. Once those are folded together, you're going to start cutting your bananas. I believe I used about 4 or 5 bananas in total, so cut them all into pieces, coin pieces, like what I'm doing here, and that should be enough for you. Now we're going to mix up your pudding. I used the vanilla jello mix. You could use regular vanilla or French vanilla, whatever you like. And you're going to mix in 2 cups of milk, your favorite milk. I tried to use my mixer first, but it got way too messy, so I ended up mixing by hand and just whip it together until it becomes thick like a pudding would be. Now we're going to start to layer. I like to use my chessman cookies as my cookie component, but use your favorite cookies, whether it's vanilla wafers or whatever. The cookies go in on the bottom. And now I'm going to take some of the pudding, I believe I used half of the pudding here, and mix it together with that whipped cream mixture that we already worked on earlier. The custard goes right over the cookies, that's your next layer, and then you're going to put in your bananas. It does not have to look pretty by any means because this is inside the pudding, so no one's going to see it. So just put in as many bananas as you like over the custard. I then took the rest of the whipped cream that I had left and I did a light layer on top of the bananas and then put more cookies. Again, they do not have to be the same order. They can be broken because it's in the middle. No one's going to see it. I took some more bananas. I hadn't cut up enough, so I put the rest of the bananas above the cookies. And I believe, like I said, I used about 4 or 5 bananas total for this whole recipe. So you can cut all of them in advance if you like. The rest of the custard goes on top of the bananas, and this is starting to become the top layer, so you want it to be somewhat even and look nice. So I spent a little extra time. And there were some few holes that weren't covered, so I took the rest of the whipped cream and covered them. Now this is the very top layer, is the cookies, so again, try to arrange them really nicely. I put them in a nice order and tried to make everything fit and look really nice. And then that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys follow along for more recipes. Thanks for watching.